here is the love of my life in the process of becoming a bird whisperer. We are learning to become bird whisperers. And here we have our chicken family. And here is Beauty. Beauty first was very beautiful. And then he became to look very ugly, but now he's also becoming very beautiful again. Here's our gecko. They're all teenagers. They're so funny now. And here's Beauty. There is Beauty. And the feathers are incredible. The colors, iridescent green and orange and black and very beautiful.